Have you lost access to your Microsoft account? Don't worry, you can still recover it without an email. Start by visiting the Microsoft Account Recovery page. You'll need to enter your account username. Next, select I don't have access to these. This lets you choose other recovery options. You may be asked for your phone number. Ensure it's linked to your account for a seamless recovery. Follow the instructions sent to your phone and reset your password for secure access. Once done, you can now log into your Microsoft account without hassle. Welcome back. Make sure to keep your recovery details updated in your account settings for future ease. Consider using Microsoft Authenticator for added security and easy access management. Stay vigilant and regularly change your password to enhance security. If you encounter issues, reach out to Microsoft support for assistance. They're there to help. With these tips, recovering your account will be a breeze. Stay safe online. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.